Our 250 Prado flare and mudflap kit is designed to do three things really well. First, cover that tyre poke, no awkward roadside conversations. Secondly, protects your Prado from road spray, mud, sand, and any of those contaminants that could damage your paint and cause chipping. And that's just as important on the highway as it is off-road. This isn't our first time doing flares. We've sold over 500 kits Australia-wide for the LC300 and the Next Gen Ranger series. Now we've applied the same proven design to the 250 Prado. Same principle, same durability, just vehicle specific. The OTA Prado 250 flares are made from a UV stable ABS plastic, does not require painting, but you can colour code them to the vehicle as we've done here with the new set. The one point of difference that OTA really has with its flare and mudflap kits is the mudflaps. We go to the extra effort of making our design look like it suits the car. There's nothing worse than an aftermarket bolt-on fit that's just an afterthought. We've got a Prado, we love our cars and we really want to protect them, and that's been one of the driving forces of us designing these products. So we love our Toyotas and our Fords, we love our off-roading, but we need to look after our cars because money doesn't grow on trees. Kits are now available. Head to the website. We ship Australia-wide. We'll give the guys a yell at Mick Ty 4x4 and outdoor. They're ready to go now.